a specialist in the art of the heart. They weave connections, a true work of art, not with swords nor words of might, but with compassion. Their beacon light each step they take, each word they say brings hope to those who have lost their way through storms that rage and winds that how they stand steadfast with no scowl, their vision clear, their purpose bright, to lead with love and endless light. For leadership is not just power, it blooms in love's eternal flower. In every challenge, they see a chance to build a world of harmony, dance through valleys deep and mountains high. Their courage lifts their dreams will fly. Their soul is vast as the ocean, blue, a century where hearts renew. The people whisper, the nations cheer for such a leader, both kind and dear. Dear touch inspire, their words ignite a flame of hope burning through the night. From humble homes to royal halls, their love transcends all borders and wells. A long love specialist, they have become a healer's heart that beats like a drum. Their leadership craves a noble trail where dreams are born and fears grow pale in their embrace. The world can see a future bright with anxiety through years uncounted. They will remain a guiding star through joy and pain for love injurious where strength may fade and marks the path they have always led. In their shadow we learn to grow a legacy that forever will glow. Let history write of their noble needs, how they savage love like scarlet needs for leadership, crowned with love, so poor will stand eternal, strong and sure, a figure grand, a heart so deep in our souls, their light will keep in a world of chase. You are my calm. Thank you for the warmth in your arms and your heart that makes me feel at home. I love and miss you. I will be your cloud up in the sky, and I will be a shoulder to lean on. I will be there for you when you call me. You are always on my mind. I cannot deny that a special person like you has taken a part of my heart away. I cannot wait to see you, my love. I will be your cloud up in the sky, and I will be a shoulder to lean on. I will be there for you when you call me. You are always on my mind. I cannot deny that a special person like you has taken a part of my heart away. I cannot wait to see you, my love. Thoughts of you will never stop being in my heart. I wish you all the best on this earth and hope you will be here, son. I love you. The biggest happiness in my life is your smile. Seeing you happy is like being blessed again and again. Thank you for being you. Loving you comes so naturally. You are funny, kind, and intelligent, and for whatever reason you have decided to love me back. For that, I am eternally grateful. Thanks for watching video.